In this video, let's see how to insert images and then move the images easily at your desired location. So go to this insert option, take the image, this picture option, then from the location of your computer just click OK. The image will be inserted. Now this image, when we try to move, we are not able to move at all. So we want to move it at a proper location, and it is overlapping some of the text also, we can see. So how to fix this problem? Go to this wrap text option, select any of these. I will select this first option, square. Now let us see. So there is a square format here. Can we move this? Yes, we can move this. Can we resize it? Yes, we can resize it. So let's see what are the other options in this. Top, bottom, so accordingly it will go. Here these are some interesting options. Behind text. So if you click this, you can see that the image goes behind the text. So from format options, you go to the wrap text, in front of the text option. See, this is also interesting option. The text covers the image covers the text, so the text gets hidden behind the image. So we will select this square option again, and now there are some features like edit wrap points. Click on this, and we can see here there are some points 1, 2, 3, 4. If we click on this particular point and extend it, you can see the text also moves behind that particular point. If we move it toward this like this, so these are the points which move that text. See, edit wrap points. If I move this point, like this, we can move that image, as well as we can create adequate space around that image as per our desired location. Thank you.